Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can update your TCL Android TV. So if you want to update your TCL Android TV on your remote, you can simply navigate to the settings on the top right corner. Click OK. And from the settings, you can simply go to device preferences right here. In the device preferences, you have to go to About on the very top first option. And in About, you can see that there's option to System Update. If you click on System Update, this is where you can update your TCL Android TV. So if you want to network update it from TCL through Wi-Fi, you can click on Network Update. And if you have the update downloaded somewhere, you can do it by local update. From here, you can connect your USB drive to update your TCL Android TV. And if not, then you can simply click on Network Update. And it will search the network for any latest update that your TCL Smart TV might have. And as you can see, your software is up to date. So my TCL TV is fully up to date right now, so I can simply go back. I hope this was helpful, and I hope this resolved your problem. Thank you so much for watching.